Hello and welcome to the WolfVision booth at the InfoComm show 2026, where we for the first time in the world present our new CYNAP Ultra. The CYNAP Ultra comes with a passive cooled housing, so that means no fans and it's quiet, and is our new standalone CYNAP that serves two screens that both can be used as touchscreens for the first time as well on a CYNAP. In addition, we've brought in USB-C connections to plug in a laptop and directly get it charged and mirror the screen whilst peripheral devices are sent back to the laptop to run a web conference, for example. The biggest advantage of the device is for sure the network integration possibilities with two Wi-Fi modules that can be set to an existing Wi-Fi infrastructure whilst the Nexus point is running and Miracast peer-to-peer is still working, as well as two Ethernet ports and for the first time on a CYNAP as well, a dedicated port for Dante for two stereo outputs and a mono input for a Dante microphone. If you want to have more information of the device, please visit our website wolfvision.com or visit us at the booth at InfoComm Show 2026.